Right guys, how are we all doing? James here, back with another video. We're going to be getting a bloody haircut because we need one. Look, like a full-grown bush. Yeah, I thought we're going to do another little drive. We're going to start the engine, do another little sort of cold start. Let you guys even hear it. Hopefully the weather's nice though, because look, the weather right now is it's a bit dull. Looks like it's going to rain, but hopefully we can do a little drive, even if it's like 5 or 10 minutes. And yeah, see you outside when we go to the car. Right guys, we're in the car. I'm gonna go get a haircut because we're looking like Groot right now. We've got a little hat strap going on here. New York Yankees cap with a little £15 cap mount. Most YouTubers and POV guys, they'd usually mount it down below, so it's sort of like resting on your nose. Tried that last video, but I just feel like I couldn't bloody see anything, do you know what I mean? So we're gonna try it this way, so my visibility isn't impaired, and yeah, we'll go from there. See what it looks like. So instead of it being there, it might be a little bit higher up, but better than nothing. But guys, we're still experimenting. Bloody hell, we're touching the bloody, unless we go further back. It's still a bit too high, isn't it? Oh crap. Don't know how well I was gonna do this, unless we have it like this, but it's sort of pointing up at the sky. I think that will have to just do for now, whilst my visibility ain't impaired. Oh, it's so annoying having that though, isn't it? If I drive back like here, you guys are seeing the ceiling. Unless I just sort of have it like, I literally got to have it down like this, look. I think that is the only way of me doing it. It's literally like resting on my nose right now. All good though. I hope everyone's having a good day today, on a Sunday, whatever you're up to. Sunday's one of those days where you just sort of chill out and do absolutely nothing. You know what I mean? Probably looks so silly in this GoPro light on my nose, but you know. Luckily, my barber's is only about 5 minutes away. Mate, my old barber's, it used to be all the way in like town centre. Mate, I'd park up, pay like £3 or £4, whatever it is, for a few hours, and then walk through the town centre to the complete other side just to go get a haircut. Like, what the hell? And it was only till like years later I found a barber, as you know. It's probably Ali Barbers, you know, trusty Ali Barbers. Found another one, and mate, free parking. And it's like, it's so much closer, the distance, you know what I mean? Love it. Sunday's one of those days where you just sit in, you know, watch a load of Netflix or reality TV programs, whatever, or binge watch old TV shows, have some coffee, play some games, or meet up with your mates and just sit there and do nothing. Weather's not helping though, look, it's looking well glum, well moody. Try my best not to talk. It's crazy, you guys are gonna know how like close my barber is. So, mate, you're gonna be watching it, you're gonna be like, what the hell? You've only literally just got in the car and now you're parking. Yeah, man. We've put the mic somewhere else on the boot, as you've seen from like the previous videos. We're still experimenting in the mic positioning for the exhaust, playing around with all the different gain settings, so hopefully it don't clip or distort, hit the reds, do you know what I mean? Nice little cruise to the barbers. I might even, right where my barber's, there's a bakery called Simmons. Don't know if anyone or any of you guys have ever heard of it in the UK. They've got loads of different bakery branches all around England. There's one in like Bedfordshire, Hertfordshire. I think there's a few sort of near London way. Yeah, really nice bakery. You get like nice sausage rolls, bacon and cheese turnovers. It's a lot better than Greggs. You know what I mean? Greggs is like your mainstream stuff. You can't beat a good old-fashioned bakery where you get, you know, all the goods. That's what I'm talking about. Look, you get Costa Coffee there. Oh my God, no way. And then you get Simmons, banging. If you know, you know. But as of right now, I'm gonna hopefully look fresh. Got to at the barbers. Few pops. Nice little overrun. Oh, see a nice E46. E46 saloon. Nice, was it BBS alloys? It's low. Yeah, looking nice. What we're gonna do, actually, we're gonna park on the end, why not? Where should we park? I'll park up here, more space, ain't there? But love a good E46, would love one, or an E36, but the only thing is now, they're rust buckets, aren't they? Most of them are sadly neglected, or not neglected, but just not taken care of regarding like the rust. It's hard to find a clean one for cheap. If you're looking for a good one, you're looking for around 5 grand, maybe, I don't know, 3.8, 4 grand, 5 grand. Same with an E36, man, it's crazy. We had an old E36, red one, family car. Red saloon, is it 318 petrol, or is it 316? One of those two. It wasn't very quick, but it was awesome, mate. It was it was untouched, it wasn't modified, it was your original, genuine E36 red. Had the nice, you know, factory spoiler on the back. But anyway, a few years ago, you know, only got stolen, didn't it? Got towed away by some, we're gonna call it gypsies, but thieves. You know what I mean? It's not good at all. Gutted. To this day, I still miss the E36. Anyway, we're gonna unclip. But yeah, guys, these type of videos that I want to do, they are driving POV videos as well as mini vlogs, I guess. You know what I mean? I want to be the guy to just talk about anything and everything. I want to make it a little bit more interesting, whether it's me just driving and talking about what's going on in the world or anything, do you know what I mean? I haven't really, like me as a whole, I've never really had a structure, organisation, do you know what I mean? I just sort of say it however it is, whatever it is, how it is. But yeah, guys, I'm literally about 5 minutes away from the barber, so I'm gonna go get a haircut because we're looking like a sloth right now. We're gonna go get a haircut and then we're gonna do a little bit more driving, and then yeah, we might even go to the bakery. Who knows? Anyway, catch you in a bit. Right, guys, how we doing? We're back from the barbers. Got it nice and short on top. Bloody hell, makes me look bold in here. I swear I ain't bold. But yeah, look. There you go. Yeah, now we finally got a haircut. Took us about 20 minutes. As I was waiting for the haircut, there was this guy getting his haircut done. This old boy, he looked about 50, 60 odd grey hair, quite thick hair. Anyway, he was the barber finished doing his haircut, and he was like, "You fucked my hair. You fucked it up. We're supposed to be sweeping over, you know, and sort of held there and waited, but no, you cut it in a way so it's just floating up instead of being scooped over to the side." He was fuming. He was like, "Oh, I can have half price." He was like, "How much that cost?" It's like, tenner for you fucking up my hair. I was like, whoa. It's quite funny. Finally got my haircut. Now we're gonna go to the barbers. No, not barbers. Gone to the barbers. We're gonna go to the bakery. Might get a sausage roll or something. And yeah, see you there. Yeah, man, guys, look at this E46 here. Fresh, look. Slammed and all. Love it, man. Right guys, we just got a Simmons cheese and ham croissant, a New Yorker sandwich, and a caramel shortbread dessert. If you know, you know. Banging. Gonna have it in a sec. Just heading back to the car. Maybe we're gonna do a little bit more driving. Well, we've got to do a bit of driving. The camera's on about 20%. Silly me, didn't bring the chargers. But anyway, back to the E46. Look how nice that is, man. Saloon, 320i. It's not a 330i, but still 320i, looks clean. I'm not seeing no rust on the arches, that's good. Yeah, back to the 125i. Come on. Yeah, so it's more of like a little sort of vlog, little drive with me. I've only gone to go get a haircut, you see, you know what I mean? So, yeah. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it, or if you even get to this point, if you ain't bloody clicked off already. But yeah, we're gonna connect up the mics again and go for a little drive back, and then yeah, that'll be it. Hopefully you guys are having a good day, whatever you're doing. Right guys, we've got the mic connected. Here we go, gonna start it up. Well, it's warmed up now, so, but you know, it ain't gonna be as loud on the start up. Wish it was though. Hopefully, it would be though, if I was to get a resonator delete. Mate, look how filthy my car is at the moment. It needs a good wash. Don't know if this will pick up, hopefully it does. Yeah, boy. The camera's on about 20%. See what I mean? Look where I park. Look, it's free parking here. But there's a literal sign saying, if you park here, anything that gets stolen, it's not down to anyone pretty much, it's down to the person who parks here. But yeah, man. Go for a little drive, go home, go eat our food. And yeah, man. See that, give it a little rev. The thing is, there's nowhere for me to stand up the camera for me to do like a little exhaust action shot. But, oh well. We're in. If you guys wanted to know what the interior looks like, let's quickly show you before the camera dies on 20%. There it is. Obviously, no, there's a little clean. It's a bit dirty to be fair, but got my food here. Simmons Bakery, if you know, you know. Got a little steering wheel lock there for the steering wheel. I don't trust anyone. I know it's just like a cheap looking NEO 1 series, but because there's this 3-litre lump underneath it and I love it that much, I still don't trust me. It's my pride and joy, man, do you know what I mean? Yeah guys, I'm gonna go for a little drive and get the little cap on, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. See you later. I'm gonna get driving. The only reason why I'm gone to go get a haircut, went to the bakery a little bit and done a bit of driving is because it says, I've checked on the weather, it says it's going to piss it down. So, you know what I mean? I don't really want my mic getting wet. Don't want my mic getting wet. And my mic ain't waterproof, you see, so. Yeah, I'm going to shut up now so you guys can actually hear it. Can't wait for this New Yorker sandwich, man. It's going to be nice. With biryani, gherkins, mustard, and something else. Banging. Toasted bread. Yeah, we'll go for a little drive. Why not? Don't you just love it? mate. This is sick. I ain't gonna rev it out too much, so, because it's not properly warm, and I know it's a sin to obviously rev it out. Don't want to damage the engine, I mean, like the pistons or anything. But, yeah, I'm trying to get the videos out there. Do you know what I mean? If anyone happens to click on this video who is new, hello guys, my name is James. I own a BM, I own a 125i. E88. I love this car, and I want to do POVs and just chat really. If you guys happen to look at my old videos, you can see that I went through the whole gaming stage of wanting to be like a gaming YouTuber. Didn't really work out, and I ended up sort of being lost in wanting to what to upload type of thing. And yeah, I've sort of grown up a little, well not grown up, I still play games, just offline. I just don't record it, and I just don't try and be like a gamer YouTuber, I guess. But at the moment, I'm loving this driving POVs because I love my car, I love the sound of it, and yeah, I just want to do POVs. I watch POVs when I get in, as you guys know. Well, you guys don't know. Well, I watch M140i videos, A35 videos, etc. And there haven't really been that much or that many E88 125i videos, so I'm like, oh, I want to be that guy. Now that I've got sort of more of a setup, yes, or just basic setup, but still. Hopefully when the weather's nice, we'll be able to drive with the roof off. And then maybe take my car down nicer roads, maybe like was it Peak District? Or Wales? Anywhere that's nice, any sort of long swooping country roads. Fortunately, where I live, there's only sort of so much country roads. I'd have to drive sort of pretty far out really to get some really nice roads. But it is what it is. I'm just getting the videos out there, do you know what I mean? I want to hopefully be seen or noticed by anyone. Don't know how these videos are going to get out there, but I'm just going to keep posting, keep being consistent, and hopefully my videos get out there, you know? If you guys don't know what I do, I work on vans full time. I am a paint sprayer, prepper, polisher on vans. Yeah, so body repair work, do 5 days a week, 7 till 4. Yeah man, it's a graft. They're working on big, great vans. Obviously it's all white commercial, 2K direct gloss paint, but yeah, it's a job. I know, I enjoy it. But on the sides, I'm going to be doing these type of videos. Just going to be talking about stuff whilst driving, pretty much. And hopefully you guys like it. Can't wait to get in and just like eat my food, man. I'm starving. Oh, to be fair, I forgot to get a coffee. I forgot to get a Starbucks. Should I get a Starbucks, guys? Oh, crap. I might get a Starbucks. Don't want my food to get cold, though. What should I do? Nah, we're going to turn around. We'll go get... I might do another little video later, or I might just save for another time. To be fair, I had a Starbucks yesterday. But then again, can you really have enough... Can you really drink that much I mean, can you not have enough Starbucks? That's what I'm trying to say. Bloody hell, I can't get my words out. Yeah, probably another time. Anyway, we're gonna go park up. Beauty of living on a main road. The thing is, you'd be lucky to get any sort of gap. So where I live, obviously not here, but it's somewhere near here. And the parking is absolutely crap. The thing is, you can, what is it? I'll leave a gap, right? I'll just park out, I'll leave for about 5 minutes. Someone will come in and take my gap. Oh, fuming, mate. Before I know, I've got to park opposite. Oh, it's well frustrating. Anyway, guys, I don't know how long we've been recording for as a whole. I think it might be a 15, 20 minute video. Oh, we're upside down. Might be a 15, 20 minute video. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys have enjoyed. And I'll see you next time in the next POV. Hope everyone has a great Sunday. See you later.